Hi guys, so this morning I'm going to be fitting a kitchen tap. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video. Let's get in there, let's get it done. So we've turned the cold off by this, but it's a bit seized, and then the hot water would be turned off in the cylinder or the loft. So I'm going to go outside and turn the water off, or the cold water, and then up into the loft or the cylinder to turn off the hot supply. So as you can see, it's connected, so we're just changing this tap, and then up the top there, if you can see it, so up the top there's a small nut on the end of a screw there, and we can take that off to get the tap out with some monoblock tap spanners. It's light turned off, so just let the water drain out of the tap, open the hot tap in the bathroom to allow air into the system. And that will drain, because if not, when we take these off here, you'll end up water going out there. Yes, it will stop, but you're still going to end up with water everywhere. These are the monoblock tap spanners, so you get 3 different ones with 6 different sizes. So if I just get up underneath here, I'll actually show you what we're connecting onto to take this tap out. As you can see, underneath of here is this nut here, so we need to get onto here. Now it's very tight, but it is doable. When we disconnect this, the whole tap will come out. Once the water's stopped, I will disconnect these off of here, and then that tap will pull straight out. What I'm going to do is take these off here, these nuts, both these, and put some isolation valves into place, so that in future if it ever needs to be isolated it can do. Plus we can connect the flexi connectors onto the top if we take this nut off and use the thread. Now I've got these isolation valves on. As you can see, I'm going to take the old tap out. You can see what we do is connect these together with the right size. That's the proper one for your tap, and we shove up that. I'm going to put it straight onto there. I need 2 hands for this, so I'm going to just take it off. Just turn this, and that will take off that nut, and then we'll get the tap out. And then once you've done that, there's this out. And that's it. So this is a 𝐾𝐿. Basically it's very similar to the tap that's come out, except obviously the heads are different. So we've got the tails, and this is what we're going to connect onto the isolation valves. This end goes into the tap itself, and then that's your monoblock connector that fits in there. Use your washers, and then we tighten it up, and it should be good to go. So this is it put together. So obviously you've got your spindle part, you've got your 2 tails. This is what's going to be connected underneath, so the rubber first, and then obviously put this through the hole, and then that will go on there and be tightened up. Again, using your monoblock spanners to tighten them up. That's the tap fitted from underneath. All we need to do now is connect these tails onto the right ones, so you can follow this down. Now this here is the cold one, so the cold is this right one, and the hot is this left one. And there you go, that's how simple it is really to fit a kitchen monoblock tap. So if you like these videos, remember to hit that like button, subscribe. It makes the channel grow. It allows me to do a lot more videos for yourselves. I will be showing you in the future some bending a pipe as well.